What a fun day in the Highlands. We have been to Oban, I think it's called, first thing. Then all the way over to Eilean Castle, which was pretty damn cool. And a quick stop at the famous shipwrecked boat in Fort William. Again, I'm sure I'll create some kind of crazy little montage going on the screen about now. Plan now is to go back to the campsite, put some stuff down, and then go out for another evening, find some more cool stuff to take photos of. But yeah, having just been to the world's most famous white cottage, which you can see here. I mean, look at that. What a view.